Oh. That's an outtake. Okay, action. We hold these truths to be self-evident. Do you want to get it from the back? We're also working with Eric Rosado from Aero Armor. We're also working with Eric Rosado from Eric Armor. Word. How do I get on the top of that list? A few months ago, and it's going to help fund a PTSD dog. Okay, James, there's only one thing about that. I need to borrow your car forever. You look like Kanye West walking around in socks. I just realized why he does that. Because it's a statement against Adidas. Because he's artistic. Yeah, he's artistic, man. The Fast and Furious Eclipse is heading to Azusa with With help from our friend Eric Rosado. He is the something of Aero Armor. The car is going to be the test car. This is going to be the test car for the body kit fitment, the Robocar Replicar kit on Facebook. You didn't know where I was going with that, did you?